Hi baby! Ito kami dalawa ng mami mo.
5 weeks ka na.
Kakapacheck up lang sa'yo. 5 weeks ka na. Stay healthy.
Anong sabi mo pagluluto mo araw-araw?
Pagluluto kayo ng mami mo ng araw-araw na masasarap na pagkain. Healthy foods.
Love you. Good morning. It's currently 4:34 a.m. I've been having contractions. Pero kagabi, hindi pa siya ganun ka-consistent. Yung contraction timer. Finally, nagigets ko na rin yung sinasabi nila na parang you're about to go number 2. I can also feel the pressure on my butt. Hindi ko alam kung sobrang high pain tolerance lang ba ako or it's just the early labor stages. So, this is so confusing, guys.
With each inhale, you're breathing in peace, and each exhale, releasing tension. Breathe with me now. In, 2, 3, 4.
Nakaligo na ako. And we're getting ready to go to the hospital. And while we're waiting, i-fill out ko muna itong birth certificate. Cheat sheet ni baby.
Hi guys! So nandito na kami sa room. Asikaso ko na rin yung lahat ng papers ni Ana at ni baby. Ngayon nasa labor room na siya and now 7 cm na siya. Sana maging okay. And kasama ko si Mamshi ngayon. Mama ni Ana. Hi Mamshi! Dito lang. Yan, naka-ready na yung gamit ni baby, ni Ana. Yan. So, pupunta kami ngayon. Baka bumulwak na. So, ayan. Okay naman yung room. Ma'am Shi, okay naman yung room, no?
Yes. And the CR.
Parang ano, parang St. Luke's. Nandito na ulit kami sa delivery room. Ganun pa rin, 7 cm pa rin si Ana. So, waiting lang kami. Papakita ko sa inyo pagka okay na, nanganak na si Ana. So, nandito lang siya. Dito siya makikita. Ang galing lang kasi pagkarating namin dito sa ospital, 5 cm na pala siya. Taas lang talaga yung pain tolerance ni Ana. No? Kinaya niya yung 5 cm. So, 2 minutes interval. Actually, malapit lang naman kami pero nakaka-amaze lang. 5 cm na agad. So, hopefully lahat okay. Yung normal. Yun lang naman yung hiling ko. Kay Ana at kay baby.
We wanna hear the news, no? Kami muna. Ayan, kasama ko ang iyong hubby. Litong-lito na raw siya. At hindi na raw niya alam ang iisipin niya. Sabi ko, kalma lang, kalma. Ayan, we're excited to see Makaya.
Soon mapapanood mo to, Makaya. Excited na ang lahat sa'yo.
I've been there before. Try to show you all.
Welcome to the world, baby. Sorry naman, nakadumi ka. 1, 2, 3.
God knows I
Ang laki.
but I know I'll be there to catch you when you fall. Oh, I'll be there to help you through it all. Oh, my flightless bed, your unspoken words, never thought they could be the
Hi
loudest.
guys, dito kami sa room. Ngayon, nagpapahinga si Maggie. Thank you po. Makaya. Nagmipis na yung ano niya.
Hindi pong mag-latch. Sige. Tapos pag wala pa rin mga nadadali si baby ng bag, pwede pa kayo makikisan mo.
Hi, Makaya.
Ay, gumalaw ka naman.
Naglinig ka siya.
Hindi ka gumagalaw.
Wait lang, ayusin ko higa.
So pretty.
Four days since we welcomed our pretty little baby. And I also want to talk about my labor and delivery experience. So I had her via C-section, emergency C-section. July 14, 6 p.m., the contraction started. I thought at first it was just Braxton Hicks. Kasi, you couldn't really tell eh. Sabi kasi nila sa online, parang a pregnant woman can tell if it's a Braxton Hicks contractions or real labor contractions. Yung sakit is sa puson tsaka sa likod. We got home from doing our errands. 9 p.m. nag-dinner kami. 12 a.m. the contractions started developing. Sobrang sakit na niya ngayon. That's where I had the feeling that I might be having my baby in the morning. I labored until 12 noon. At 7 p.m. I had the epidural because we were planning on delivering her by normal delivery, which is kaya naman talaga. So, noong 9 p.m. we did some practice pushes, no? Tapos, first push, okay, let's practice. Second push, biglang nag-drop yung heartbeat ni baby. So, my OB decided na emergency C-section na to. Nahiwa ang ate mo. Oh, plus my water did not break on its own. My doctor had to break it at 9 p.m. And it was a lot. It's time right now is 7:51 in the evening. The house is a mess. But that's okay. And we have family over to help us, which I'm so grateful about.